Alexthecardoctor here. I have this 09 Chevy Cobalt. I got allergies this morning, so if you see my eye red, that's the problem. It's not me. This is what we have. We have a customer that brought his car in. It was going into limp mode, so it's throwing a P0091 code and a let's see, fuel pressure regulator control circuit code. And this doesn't have anything to do with it, but I'm going to recommend it anyway. It's throwing a thermostat code. Normally we see a thermostat regulating temperature code. So the thermostat is starting to fail. So this is a circuit code. It says control circuit low voltage. So normally what that means is we have a wire grounding out, or it can mean a bad sensor. So the first step to diagnosing this would be to undo this clamp, which I already did, so you can move the intake tube out the way. This is the control solenoid circuit for the fuel regulator. We're going to look at this wire because these, oh, you just saw that? I don't know if you saw that, but it grounded out on the metal right here, and bam, that's our problem. I don't know if you can see that, but that's exposed wire. So it has been rubbing, and it has rubbed away the insulation on the wire, and now it's grounding out on the body of the vehicle. Anything metal on the vehicle is considered a ground. What we're gonna need is some wire crimps and strippers, split loom or wire loom, electrical tape, butt connector, and a heat gun / soldering iron. So the step we're gonna take, and this is on the a 09 Chevy Cobalt SS. We're gonna untwist the wire first, like so. All right. Now, what most people would do, I'm not gonna do this, they would just take the duct tape and just wrap it around the wire, the wire that the insulation is broken on. I'm not doing it that way. I don't like doing it that way, but you guys can. Whatever floats your boat, right? So I'm gonna take this, strip it right there, and do the same. All right, so this is where this come to play. I like using these because you can heat them up and they will shrink down, protecting the wire from any moisture. Take my crimps, crimp that down like so, give it a nice little tug, not too hard, but with a firm tug to make sure it's in there. And we're gonna do the same for the other end. Bam, like that. I'm gonna turn on my heat gun. Make sure it's on, not burn myself, hopefully. Did it earlier. My colleague thought it was pretty funny. Let's see. No, Fernando, I might have to bring out the snap-on one. You want to bring it? Yeah, I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I got my colleague, Fernando, snap-on one. He's a snap-on guy. I'm letting it heat up now. I got mine from Lowe's. I'm out of butane on that one, so I'm just gonna use this one for now. But it should be heated up by now. Let's see, can I melt this down? Show you guys this. So just kind of wave it around. As you can see, it's shrinking down on the wire. That's what I want. You can take a lighter and do this too, but I don't like doing it that way. For safety precautions, you can set something on fire. Instead of fixing the car, you'll have yourself a fireball. A backyard barbecue. Just got finished heat shrinking the my butt connector there, but it should look like this. It's nice and pretty. And the next step is the protector. I'm not gonna say what it reminds me of. This is a little inappropriate, but you guys get the idea. I slide that bad boy on like that. And last step is to take some tape around the edges, like so. And I'm gonna do the same for the back. All right. Plug this back in. That's all there is to it. Now, what I'm probably gonna do, I'm gonna get some zip ties. I'm probably going to zip tie this off this metal bracket so that this won't continue to happen and rub through the repair or any other wires. So I'm probably gonna zip tie it off of this bracket right here so that won't happen again. So I'll be right back with some zip ties. So have my zip ties here, and all this is preventive maintenance. You don't have to do this, but I'm going to find me a little anchor point, which I think that's a good anchor point that I got. And it's too short, so I'm gonna take another zip tie when you run into this problem, and you can run it like this. And you got an extended zip tie. Look at that. Bam. Just like that. Cut off the extra. Nice professional job there. That won't be happening again. This job is complete, and that's how you do it. If you like my video, you know what to do. Subscribe, like. Any questions, write it down in the comments. Alex the Car Doctor out.